It's a pleasure for me to take over the chairmanship of the FABEC Standing Committee Ops for the next 2 years. And I would like to take this occasion to warmly thank the current chairwoman, Peggy Devistal, for the hard work she did over the last 3 years where she was at the helm of this body. So the Standing Committee Ops of FABEC is actually incorporating all the COOs, the Chief Operating Officers of the FABEC ANSPs. And what we do is we address all the questions around performance, safety, cost efficiency, and also environmental friendliness within the FABEC airspace. All these topics are being addressed within this body, and we are permanently actually seeking for improvements to the benefit of the customers in the FABEC airspace. I think what we've done in the past was very much oriented still in the individual silos. So every ANSP was working in the appropriate airspace it was responsible for. But I think the challenges that are in front of us cannot be solved in that manner any longer. So we have to more closely work together. We have to address the challenges of the future in common, and therefore I would really like to address this together with my colleagues, with my CEO colleagues in the FABEC for the next 2 years, in order to improve the collaboration among FABEC partners, which is already a very good one, but I think we can even do better in the future. So I started my career as a trainee to become an air traffic controller at the ACC of Geneva. And I spent my entire career then in air traffic control. I left the Swiss air navigation service provider for just a couple of years to join the regulator in Switzerland, came back, then had a couple of management functions internally, and since 5 years I have the pleasure to be at the helm of the operations of Skyguide.